What up, people? Coach V, New Breed Boxing. Today's video is specifically for fighters and coaches. This is going to be the best free advice anyone could ever tell you in pursuit to becoming an amateur and even a professional fighter. And as for you coaches that aren't doing this, step your game up, because this is something, if you're not doing, you're half-assing your job. And this is a critical component of making sure that your fighters are successful in the ring, okay? You're making sure they're doing good outside the ring. Make sure they do good inside the ring by giving them the advantage of understanding what the referees, judges, and officials are looking for. Very easy to do, and it's free. Go to usaboxing.org, download the rule book, study it, know it inside and out. Because I can't tell you how many times I've seen fighters get disqualified. In particular, disqualification is the biggest thing. They're not aware of what they can and can't do to an extent. Like, they understand how to box, they understand the fundamentals and all that. Maybe they might even be good at it, but they don't understand certain rules, like you can't hit, certain parts of the body in certain ways, or even sometimes not even get to fight because they don't understand certain equipment that you can't have. They got like back in the day, you couldn't have like a red mouthpiece, stuff like that. Guys show up to the fight, now they can't fight. So there are things that change periodically. Most of the time, the rule book stays pretty much consistent, but there are little things that change. So every single year, do yourself a favor, look at the rule book, study it. It's a quick read, it's nice and easy. And this way, when you go into the ring, you'll know exactly what to do, what not to do. And not only will you put yourself in the best position, as far as, looking good and knowing what what's what, you're gonna be able to put yourself in the shoes and in the seats of the people that are scoring the fight. And, you'll be able to perform at a much higher level. So anyway, I hope you found this informative. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Go put some more video ideas in the comment section. Check me out on Instagram at coach.v_. Till the next time, we out of here. Out.